Alright, now it's been a while since I posted a wallpaper application video, so here it is. I'm going to showcase 7 amazing wallpaper applications, so let's begin. The first app is my favorite wallpaper application. I'm sure you're going to love this. The moment you open the application, the wallpapers you're going to see on the homepage will be paid or premium wallpapers. So if you don't want to go premium and you want free wallpapers, you can tap on users here. On this tab, you will see all the free wallpapers which are just amazing. You'll also get to see wallpaper of the day, wallpaper of the week and wallpaper of the month on the top. Just go on scrolling down to see some beautiful looking unlimited wallpapers on this application. When you tap on this hamburger menu, you will not only see wallpaper options, you will also get some home screen setup, ringtones, mockups and frames, and you also get an option to edit the image and cut the ringtone. This is a comprehensive customization application you should try on your Android phone. The next app I want to show you is called Wallpot. This application offers 10 free wallpapers every day. And if you cross the limit and if you still want to download the wallpapers, you will have to go premium on this application. But hey, about 10 wallpapers a day is good enough, I would say. You can always set the wallpapers as favorites and download it the next day if you cross the limit. And that cool sparkle animation on the right and left edge of the screen, as in when you download a wallpaper or when you tap on the favorites icon, looks just amazing. Here, if you go to your profile, you will also be able to see the history of wallpapers you have set in the past. That would be really helpful, just in case if you missed out on any of the wallpapers which you have not downloaded. You can go ahead and check the history and get that wallpaper that you're looking for. This app also offers beta. You can join the beta to experience some latest new features. All in all, Wallpot is a great application you guys must try. Moving on to the next one, this app is called Wallpop. Again, the collections on this wallpaper application is amazing. You get to download plenty of free and premium wallpapers from this application. As you can see at the bottom, we've got this tab. On the home screen, you get to see loads of free wallpapers, and we've got this categories tab, by tapping on which you can check out the wallpaper categories and select the category of your liking and start downloading the wallpapers. If you go to the app settings, you get to turn on the dark mode on this application, and we also have this clear cache option, and this option is really important for all the wallpaper applications. They leave a lot of cache memory, so we will have to keep clearing it up, and having this option on the settings menu is really handy. On the top, you can see these color options. If you're looking for a wallpaper with specific color combinations, then you can just tap on these colors to sort those wallpapers. That's a great option we have got on this application. All right, now moving on to the next application. This is called Nothing But Wallpapers. A very simple interface we've got 3 tabs at the bottom: wallpapers, collections and favorites. Again, this app offers some amazing wallpapers. On the top right, we have got the settings menu. Again, here we've got dark mode options as well as clear image cache option, which is fantastic. One thing you need to notice, when you tap on a particular category, it'll only show you one image or thumbnail. You will have to tap on that again to open the entire folder. So keep that in mind when you use this particular application. That is nothing but wallpapers for you. The next app on the list is Phone Walls. As the name suggests, this application offers the wallpapers from different OEMs. If you're using a Samsung phone and would like to set up a wallpaper from Apple or OnePlus or any other OEMs, you will be able to find those wallpapers right here on this application. As you can see, we have got a huge list of brands here. We've got Xiaomi, Tecno, Honor, Infinix, OnePlus, Microsoft, Apple, Samsung, etc. We've got all the collections of wallpapers. You can see each category has got so many wallpapers here on this app. This is just brilliant if you're looking for something like this. The next incredible wallpaper application is called Tapet. I'm sure most of you guys know about this application. If at all you're new to this, you're going to love this, because this is not a typical wallpaper application. This app can automatically generate high quality background. It doesn't download any images from the internet, or it does not have any collections which are preloaded. It generates the wallpapers then and there, as in when you tap on generate. Just select the pattern that you like and just swipe the screen. It will automatically generate the pattern with different colors. If you want to pick the color, you can tap on this icon to pick the color. You can select the color combination for the pattern that you're going to generate. You can also change the effects of the wallpaper, and this also offers auto wallpaper changing feature. You can just set the interval time you want. It will automatically change the wallpapers on your phone. This is definitely a brilliant application you guys must try. Now we have come to the last wallpaper application on the list. This is called AI Wallpapers. Offers some amazing wallpapers, both free as well as premium wallpapers on this application. As you can see on the home, it says 404 plus wallpapers we have got. You're going to love the way it scrolls through the wallpapers. It has got this beautiful smooth scrolling transition effect, and as when you scroll it, the wallpaper just pops out, which looks amazing. We've got this collections option where we've got a bunch of wallpapers in each collections, but you will have to go for pro version of this application to open these collections. If you are a wallpaper freak, you might want to do this, but otherwise I would suggest you to go with all these free collections that we have got on this application. They look just beautiful. That is the last wallpaper application on the list. I hope you would find some of these applications interesting. That's about it. All the wallpaper app download links are in the description. You can go ahead and check out the description to download any of the apps that you like. And while you do that, if you need more contents like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment mentioning your favorite wallpaper application. That would be interesting to know. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.